Yeah, good morning and welcome back. This is mainly for Polytechnic classes, and this is useful for writing competitive exams, various competitive exams, and advancedly it is useful for intermediate also. So yesterday what I was discussing is y is equal to 2x, y is equal to 2x plus 1, y is equal to 2x plus 2. That one I was explaining yesterday and the video somehow got cut off. So I am explaining once again today. So here put x is equal to 0, you will get y value as 0. Put x is equal to 1 here. In this y is equal to 2x. And put x as 2, y value is 4. What you will get is it will pass through the center of this. I am showing here which I did here in the graph sheet. So this is nothing but y is equal to 2x is a line which passes through the center of the circle, center of the graph sheet. This here like this, it passes through the intersection points. Next, y is equal to 2x plus 1, and again similarly if you look at these points, y is equal to 2x plus 1, this is the second line. That means here I am showing that. So all these three lines, and this is third one is y is equal to x plus 2 is this one's third one. So if you observe this, all these three, they are parallel. Why they are parallel? Because slopes are equal. Slopes are equal means here y is equal to mx plus c. Already you have learnt in 10th standard. So m is nothing but slope and c is nothing but y-intercept. Y-intercept. So here these all, because slopes are same, the lines are parallel. Remember, if the lines are parallel, slopes are equal. If slopes are equal, the lines are parallel. Vice versa. Both ways you can remember. But one more thing, this is about parallel lines, slopes are equal. Perpendicular lines, perpendicularity. Perpendicular lines means if the lines are perpendicular, slopes product is always -1. The lines are perpendicular. See here, look at this one, L1. This is L2. The lines are perpendicular. So if you take the slope, then the product is always -1. Remember this condition. And slope is always, we will be using tan theta only, not sin theta, not cos theta. For using slope, we will be using tan theta only. So why we have to use tan theta and that all, you please tell me in the next class. I will be very happy if you know why we have to use tan theta. Just I am giving you a question. Try to do by try at home and tell me why we have to use tan theta only, why not sin theta, cos theta. This is a drill, or this is nothing but a question I am asking you. So if the lines are perpendicular, slopes product is always -1. Remember these things. That's it. Now we will do some problem based on centroid. So this graph sheet is clear, children. Once again I am showing here. This graph sheet is nothing but the slopes are equal, lines are parallel. See here, 1, 2, 3. These three lines are parallel. And here one more figure I drew here. Here 90 degrees is there. I took theta. I calculated the tan theta. See here, tan theta y2 minus y1 and y-intercept by x-intercept. I got the same answer. So this is another way why we have to take only tan theta as slope. So just I am explaining here. And centroid, let us go to centroid. Centroid, what do you mean by centroid? Point of where all the medians meet together in a triangle. This is D, AD, DE and CF. Where all the points meet together, where all the medians meet in a circle or in a triangle, AD is the median, DE is the median, CF is the median. All the three medians are meeting at O, or meeting at something like that, O. That is centroid. Centroid is nothing but point of intersection of the medians. And centroid median divides the centroid in the ratio 2:1, always. Median divides the centroid. Centroid is denoted by G and it divides in the ratio 2:1. Remember this. Point of intersection of all the medians is nothing but the centroid. Next, centroid, the coordinates are x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. This proof I am not going to do. Just remember this formula, y3 by 3. This is nothing but centroid G. Gx comma y is equal to this one. This is the formula you need to remember. Next, internally external formula already we have discussed. Next, trisection means dividing the line segment in the ratio, this line segment in the ratio 1:2, because total parts are 3. Tri means 3, trisection, dividing the line segment in the ratio 1:2 is called trisection. Next, centroid is over, and yesterday I was explaining about area of triangle, how to calculate the area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to half mod of x1 y2 minus y3. Next, here x1 is there means here x2 plus y2 minus y3. Follow the protocol. Y3, here start with y3 again, minus, after 3 y1 will come. Next x2 x3, here y1 is there. Next y1 minus, here you see x1 x2 x3 are over. Next y2 minus y3, start with here 3. 3 after 3 1 will come. Next 1 here, y1 minus 1 2. Here you see again it is repeating. So this is nothing but area of triangle formula. If the points are collinear, means points they are lying on the same straight line, their area is always 0 because no area is formed. Collinear means they are lying on the same straight line. And the slope of a line parallel to y-axis is, yesterday we have discussed, no, slope of a line parallel to y-axis is what? Slope of a line parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis. Just draw a line parallel to y-axis. Slope of a line parallel to y-axis not defined. Slope of a line parallel to x-axis 0. That already we have discussed so many times. We have done some problems also based on that. Next, today we will be doing some more problems. And midpoint formula, already you know what is meant by midpoint. Midpoint x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. This you have learned in 10th standard already, or 9th class precisely. 9th class you have already learned. Next, trisection also I have discussed. Distance formula, once again I am repeating, distance formula already we have discussed. Next, internal external formula already we have discussed, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, m by 2 plus n by 1 by m plus n, that already we have discussed. Centroid, area of triangle. Next, slope formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Next, so now we will be doing various problems, children. After that we will be doing competitive exam questions. So it will take 2 to 3 classes. If a line is making an angle 30 degrees with the x-axis, a positive direction, then the slope of the line is, already I told, no, we have to take tan theta. Slope, they are asking slope, tan 30. This is a line and it is in this direction. This line is making in anti-clockwise. Clockwise means clock will come like this, anti-clockwise means like this. So here, so slope, so tan angle is given. What is angle given? 30 degrees. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Tan 60 is root 3. Remember, the line segment joining -3, 4 and 2, 1 and extend up to this one is little bit lengthy. I will explain. So please try by yourself. So centroid I have discussed. Median means, what is meant by a line segment drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side, that is called the median. Where all the three medians meet, that is called centroid. Once again, median means the line segment drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Midpoint of the opposite side. So there will be three medians where all the medians meet, that is called the centroid. It is denoted by always G. The coordinates of the centroid are x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Here x1 by 1, x2 by 2 and x3 by 3. So there ends the theorem, and this is midpoint formula. This is area of triangle. Collinear means points, they are lying on the same line. Now we are doing some problems based on that. The line segment joining -3, 4 and B. Here what is given is the line segment joining -3, 4. Just they have given -3, 4 and B 2, 1. Here something B 2, 1. I will explain orally and remaining part you do by yourself. Is extended up to C. Let this C be x1, y1. Mark like this. What is given? Is extended up to such that 2AB is equal to BC. Simple student. BC length is, suppose, and 2 times AB is nothing but BC they have given. Suppose BC length is 4. So AB length will be 2. Why? Because 2 times AB is equal to BC. BC length is what? 4. Simple. This 2 twice AB is equal to BC. BC length is 4. Just take this example. BC length is 4. And 2 times AB. AB length is 2. Why? Because the condition is given like that. So from this 2 times AB means AB is 2. That is nothing but BC 4. 4 units here. 2 units. Since it is a coordinate geometry, we will denote it as unit. So from this, what is the idea you can get? Which formula you should apply here? Can you apply midpoint? Midpoint is completely ruled out. You cannot, because midpoint means both should have same length, same units. Centroid, that is ruled out. All the other things are ruled out. Only one possibility is there, that is distance formula. Here segment is there, no? So you can apply distance formula. Find the distance between these two. Here 2 times AB is given. So since it is a line segment, what you have to do is distance between the points A, B. So A is nothing but -3, 4. B is nothing but 2, 1. A coordinate is -3, 4. B is 2, 1. And C is x1, y1. What I told, distance formula you apply for AB and BC. So what you will get? Minus 3, 4 and 2 comma 1. AB distance I want to find out. Next BC distance. B is what? 2 comma 1. C is what? x1, y1. This distance I want to calculate. And what is the distance formula? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. What is x2? x2 is nothing but 2 minus of x1 plus y2 minus y1, 1 minus 4 whole square, right? So simplify this, and here also simplify this. x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus 1 whole square. After doing this one, you calculate what you will get. Two minus 2 minus is plus 2 plus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 4 is minus 3 whole square. 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 square is 25. 3 square is 9. So that is nothing but root 34. Next, this one. And x1 minus 2 whole square, y1 minus 1 whole square. Apply a minus b whole square, and here also you apply a minus b whole square. Then what you have to do? This 2 times AB. 2 times AB length is nothing but what you got just now, root 34 is equal to BC. BC is applied distance formula. So here x1 square plus a square plus b square minus 2 x1 into 2 plus apply b minus a minus b whole square again for this also, y1 square plus 1 square minus 2 y1. Next, here this is nothing but what is the answer you got? x1 square plus 2 square is nothing but 4 and 2 to the 4x1 minus 4x1 plus this is nothing but y1 square minus plus 1 this is nothing but 2 into y1 minus 2y1. Next, here we need to calculate x1 y1. 2 into root 35, squaring on both sides, you do some calculations here. Squaring on both sides you do, and bring all the numbers to one side. Here this all x sides one side, all y sides one side you do, and the answer you will get, final answer is, then some options they are given. In this way you have to do the problem. It's very lengthy, but it will take time. Next, this AB is the diameter of circle with center O. This so many times we have discussed. Please do by yourself. 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0 minus 4 are the vertices of a dash. This is very important, students. This one is lengthy, but it will take time. Already I told AB distance you have to calculate, and then is equal to and BC distance, use the distance formula you have to do, and then you have to calculate x1 y1 value from this. Okay. Zero, 0, 1, 0 and 0 minus 4. First you mark these points. Zero, 0, 1, 0. 0, 0 will be here only. 1, 0. 1, 0 will be 1, comma 0. Because on x-axis y coordinate is 0. A. This is already here. One more point should be there. 0, comma minus 4. 0, comma minus 4. Minus 4 will be 0, comma minus 4 means on y-axis x coordinate is 0. 0, comma minus 4 will be here. On y-axis x coordinate is 0. So it is in fourth quadrant. Here y coordinates will be negative. So here asking like this. The diagram will look like this. So here it's very simple, student. 0 0 origin given, 1 comma 0 given, that means the distance from here to here is this one, and the distance from here to here is this one. So he is asking find, okay, they are asking find whether it is right angle, isosceles, right isosceles, equilateral. Which is the option? Which is the correct answer? Isosceles triangle. Isosceles means completely ruled out. Here it is, the question does not arise because 90 degrees is forming. So isosceles is ruled out, equilateral triangle is ruled out, right angle triangle and right isosceles. Right isosceles means two sides will be equal. Here, observe here, can any two here, what is the distance from here to here? 1. What is the distance from here to here? -4. So that is also ruled out, isosceles. So it is nothing but simply right triangle. So you need not do all calculations, area of triangle and that all. Just draw this diagram in the rough column, you will be getting an idea. Therefore, it is a right triangle. Not right isosceles, not isosceles, not equilateral. The other options are all ruled out. Next, another question. Midpoint, already some problems will be doing made. Is it clear? I mark the point simply like this. So here isosceles means the length from here to here is what? 1. The length from here to here is what? Units. How much distance we have travelled? 4. So here 1 unit. So both are means distance is not same. So it's only right angle triangle. The midpoint of the line segment joining is, find the value of B. This is totally different. The midpoint of the line segment joining 3a comma 4 just I will write the question on the board. -2 comma 2b is 2 comma 2a plus 2. Here what is saying is the midpoint of these two is this one. One coordinate is given A, one coordinate is given B. Points, they are given like this, and the midpoint of these two is nothing but 2a plus 2a comma 2a plus 2. What is the value? Midpoint formula. Just apply midpoint formula. I don't know, this is total just little bit different. x1, what is the midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is nothing but x1 y1 x2 y2. x1 plus x2 by 2, 3a plus -2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2. y1 is nothing but 4 plus y2 is nothing but 2b. Are you understanding, children? Just I am replacing, I am just putting the values. But what is the given midpoint? The midpoint of the line joining. Just draw the rough diagram. This one is A, this is B. Midpoint means this one C. That C is given as this one. Always remember, when you are doing coordinate geometry, the graph sheet should be in your mind. Then only you can do problems. Means you will understand the concept what is given. Simply don't look at the problem by saying that formula we should apply, this formula we should apply. You should have at least some knowledge about the graph sheet. When you think that the graph sheet is in front of you, and then do solve the problems. Imagine and then do the problems. Then it becomes easy. Here these are the 2 points. Midpoint is given as this one thing like that, and that is nothing but this. So therefore I should equate, because they only give 2a comma 2a plus 2. Now first one part equate first, and second one 3a plus and minus is minus by 2 is nothing but 2a. 4 plus 2b by 2 is nothing but 2a plus 2. I am equating first coordinate to first, second coordinate to second. Then the value of b is asking. Find the value of b is asking. So here, what you will get here? 3a minus 2 is equal to 4a. 3a minus 2 is cross multiplication. And bring this to here. 4a minus 3a is nothing but 4a minus 3a is equal to minus 2. This will remain same. Bring your transposing this, that means minus 2 will remain same. Is equal to a is equal to minus 2. Just replace here. 4 plus 2b by 2 is equal to a value is minus 2. So next 4 plus 2b by 2, write this as it is. 2 2s are minus 4 plus 2. Minus 4 plus 2, this number is greater. So you will get minus 2. 2 into 2 is minus multiplication. Plus into minus is minus. Minus 4 plus 2 is nothing but minus 2. Now 4 plus 2b by 2 is equal to minus 2. 4 plus 2b by 2 is equal to minus 2. 4 plus 2b is equal to cross multiplication, minus 4. Transpose this one, 2b is equal to minus 4, minus 4. Next 2b is equal to minus 8. b is equal to minus 8 by 2. That is nothing but minus 4. Then the value of b is, it is somewhere, actually it is showing positive value. Let me check, somewhere we have it wrong. 3a minus 2 to the 4a, then this will get kind of a value will be minus 2. So here minus 2 plus 2 is this one, minus 4 plus 2 is this one, minus 2. 4 plus 2 is nothing but this minus 2. B coordinate is 4. Already the option given is here, it is 8 6 4 2, 8 comma 6 comma 4 comma 2, but here we are getting minus 4. I think the question is wrong. 3a plus 4 minus 2 comma 2b, and that is 2 comma 2a plus 2. Which point? 3a minus 2. Like this, I first equate this to a, 2 to the 4a, bring this one, this 4a minus 3a is minus 2, a value is minus 2, replace here. 2 to the minus 4 plus 2 is nothing but minus 2, 4 plus 2b is equal to minus 2, and that's it. So we'll continue in the next class of this Polytechnic class. Thank you students, have a nice day, bye.